Hello and welcome to the Monterey Bay Air Resources District's tutorial on how to use our webpage to find the information and forms necessary to submit a complete permit application. The district's forms and guidance documents can all be found on our website at mbard.org. These forms include an application for authority to construct and permit to operate, an authorized contractor form, equipment-specific supplemental forms, equipment-specific guidance documents, and a fee determination sheet. So let's get started. On our home page, click on the topic Permitting located in the gray banner. Next, under the Permitting dropdown, click on Authority to Construct/Permit to Operate. Permits are required for equipment that emits or controls air pollutants. If you are unsure if your operation is subject to permitting requirements, you can click on the first link in this section, When do I need to check with the Air District? This link provides both a general list of common projects that require permits and a general list of equipment that are exempt from permit requirements. Note, these are not exhaustive lists, so if you do not see your operation on either list, please do not hesitate to contact our engineering division for a permit applicability determination. An engineer will be happy to answer your question. Upon determination that your project is subject to permit requirements, all applicants must submit an application for authority to construct and permit to operate. This form is referred to as Form 1, and the link can be found under the first subtitle for Application Forms. Please complete all of the fields and be sure to type out the name exactly how you want the permit to be issued on line number 1. Note that an incomplete submittal will delay the process of your application. The completed form must be signed by a responsible official of the business organization. If a contractor will be acting on and signing on behalf of your company to apply for a permit, a separate authorized contractor form must also be provided. If you need to submit an authorized contractor form, the link to the form can be found under the third subtitle, Authorized Contractors. Every new or modified project must also submit detailed information describing the proposed project. The information requested will allow the permitting staff to calculate criteria and toxic emissions, perform health risk assessments, and to determine rule applicability and compliance. For equipment and processes commonly applied for, MBARD has developed supplemental information forms to assist you with this next step. If you don't see a specific category for your operation, please contact the Engineering Division, and we can provide you with a unique list of required operational data needed to submit a complete permit application. For this example, let's assume you're applying for an emergency diesel engine generator set. Under the fifth subtitle, Equipment-Specific Application, click on the link Engines. Scrolling down the page, under Permit Application Completeness Determination, you will see the link to an internal combustion engine supplemental information form. We request that you complete the information to the best of your ability. If you cannot answer all of the questions, please reach out to the equipment manufacturers or contractors to obtain the necessary information. Prior to purchasing equipment, MBARD recommends reviewing the guidance documents, which are located in the Advisories tab under Documents/Forms, to ensure you are purchasing equipment that will meet all applicable local, state, and federal requirements. So, in our example, the last paragraph in page 1 lists the EPA tier standards for different horsepower engines, and Table 1 outlines the best available control technology standards for each engine horsepower rating. In addition, if you are interested in understanding where these policies and requirements come from, for your convenience, we have provided links to applicable rules and regulations governing each category. In the example above, you can see links to the applicable federal new source performance standards and national emissions standards for hazardous air pollutants and state air toxic control measures. Lastly, every application must be accompanied by the appropriate fee as outlined in our General Application Fee Determination Sheet. An application will not be processed into our system until the fees have been submitted. Our fee determination sheet is available online, and the link can be found under the first subtitle of Application Forms under Application Fee Sheet. This form will be updated for each fiscal year. You can make a payment by mailing in a check or make payments with a debit card, credit card, or ACH using our online payment portal. The Make a Payment portal can be found under the I Want To tab in the top gray ribbon on the home page of our website. Online payments are subject to a service fee. Once you have completed all of your forms, they can either be mailed directly to our office at 24580 Silver Cloud Court, addressed to MBARD, MBARD, in Monterey, California, 93940. Or you can email them directly to our Engineering Division Administrative Assistant, Eden Gonzalez, at egonzalez@mbard.org. I hope you have found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions regarding any steps in the permitting process, please feel free to contact the Engineering Division.